Oh yeah, that's really good. Alrighty, the 4-ingredient viral protein cookie dough. Does this recipe slap, or are we gonna have to take a nap? Let's go ahead and get started how to make this. Alrighty, so first thing we're gonna do here is I am using good quality ingredients, right? So I have my Naked Whey chocolate protein, and if you wanna make a big batch, you kinda have to beta test it a little bit. It depends on how big of a batch you wanna make, right? I'm actually doing 2 viral recipes for my cheat day tonight, so I don't wanna go too big because then I don't want to put it in the fridge and be like, yeah, well, I had a good workout. Let me just mow this down here a little bit. So first thing we're going to do is I will get you some measurements on my measurements for it. But again, big batch, bigger. You just kind of have to mess around with the flavors, add some more syrup, etc. You can do almond butter. I have organic peanut butter from Costco right here. So let's go ahead and put organic peanut butter in my mixing bowl right here. I'll give you I'm probably going to do like 1/3 of a cup, maybe 1/2 of a cup. Alrighty, this is probably less than 1/3 cup, maybe a heaping 4th cup. We got a tablespoon of, oh, this stuff slaps, by the way. This is organic from Costco. Bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. I mean, slap your mama, this stuff is good. Organic as well. The Naked Whey protein is almost all organic. There's only like 3 ingredients. Get yourself some good whey protein if you're gonna be having protein. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna now put in, I don't know if I'm gonna do a full scoop or a full serving. That's actually 2 scoops, probably too much. So let me see where the scooper is. Probably just add 1 scoop for this serving amount. All right, never mind. I did 1 serving, 2 scoops of the Naked Whey, and that stuff isn't cheap. That stuff's pretty expensive. I'll have it linked all in the description box below. All right, let's go ahead and mix this up. Alrighty, so a little tip for you here. Use a deeper bowl for mixing. It's gonna be a little easier. And I added just a little bit more, like just go, like I'm talking about maybe a teaspoon at a time. Mix it in. I actually put like maybe a teaspoon of water and then like maybe a 1/2 teaspoon of more maple syrup just because it was too dry with the 2 scoops of protein powder with that ratio. And then I added Trader Joe's 72% cacao chocolate chips, just a few of them to drizzle them in there. And what that did is it made it more moist with just a little bit of water and just a little bit more of the maple syrup. Now the protein powder will alter it a little bit, depends on what protein powder you make it with. The first time I ever did this recipe, I used organic hemp protein from Trader Joe's, and if you're seeing this, that's for another viral recipe, so make sure you're subscribed. But I actually liked the grittiness of this a little bit better than the Naked Whey. The Naked Whey is so clean that this tastes like healthy cookie dough. It's still really good. It still slaps, but it tastes like healthy cookie dough. Let me go ahead and grab a little bit of this action here for you. And again, a little bit more moist with a little bit more maple syrup. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't skimp. Actually, that's really good. Oh yeah. That's really good. Okay, I'm watching a movie. I'm gonna save the rest. That slaps. That's worth my time, my calories on my cheat day. Hit that thumbs up button. Go grab your goodies. I'll have the Naked Whey linked in the description box below, as well as the products from Costco if you don't have a Costco near you. They sell it. I just picked up the Naked Whey on Amazon. It'll be linked below. You can try a different maple syrup, but that slaps really good. Stay tuned for this viral video. That's gonna be the Reese's peanut butter cups. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.